Did you suddenly become a landlord due to a job relocation, an inherited home, or a property you couldn't sell? If so, you're what we like to call an accidental landlord. And while it wasn't part of your plan, you can still turn this into a profitable opportunity with the right steps. First, understand your legal responsibilities. Every city and state has different laws for leases, deposits, and evictions. Second, screen tenants thoroughly. A bad tenant can cost you thousands. Do those background checks and verify income. Third, price your rental correctly. Check the market to make sure your rent covers your expenses while staying competitive. Next, be proactive with maintenance. Routine inspections and quick responses go a long way in keeping your tenant happy and your property in great shape. If you're not nearby or simply don't have time, consider hiring a property manager. We handle everything: tenant screening, rent collection, maintenance, and compliance. It's peace of mind, especially if this isn't your full-time gig. Inherited a property and not sure what to do? Assess the condition, understand tax implications, decide whether to manage it yourself or outsource. Many accidental landlords discover this unexpected home can become a solid long-term asset with the right team in place. Feeling overwhelmed? You don't have to do this alone. Is managing your property too complex? We can help. Join the growing number of landlords who trust us to handle the details so you don't have to. Contact us today and let us take the stress out of property management.